Welcome to What's in the Pot. I'm your host, Sean Grande, and today we're doing a smoked chicken on the Traeger. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It's What's in the Pot. Welcome to What's in the Pot. I'm your host, Sean Grande. So for our chicken, this is a 5-pound chicken washed and cleaned. And these are the ingredients we're making our dry rub with. So Traeger chicken rub, some Jamaican allspice, a little bit of sazon. We're also going to be adding some of this jerk seasoning from Jamaican Pride. We're going to put everything together, about a tablespoon each, and then that's our dry rub. Now once we have our dry rub created, give it a good mix, so all the ingredients mixed together. Then we're going to go ahead and coat our chicken. We're going to start coating it from the bottom, and then make sure we get all that dry rub into all the crevices of the chicken. We just want to make sure we put that dry rub on liberally. Once we're done putting it on the back side, we're gonna go ahead and flip the chicken over and do the same on the front side and make sure we add that dry rub on liberally. If you want to add a little bit more of that Traeger chicken rub towards the end, you could as well. Now we're gonna go ahead and insert our meter wireless probe, and when we insert this wireless probe, we want to make sure we put it in the thickest piece of the chicken breast and make sure it's not touching the bone to get an accurate temperature. I'm also adding a little bit of orange juice, some fresh oranges, and then we're gonna add some fresh cilantro to the top. We're gonna add all these flavors, and it's gonna add a little bit of extra flavor when we're smoking the chicken. We're gonna be smoking the chicken for about an hour, so I have my Traeger preset to 225 degrees, and we have the super smoke setting on, and we're gonna let this smoke in the smoker for 1 hour at 225 degrees. After 1 hour, then we'll go ahead and change the temperature. And remember, when using a meter wireless probe, put the probe on the side of the grill so it can extend the signal. This is our chicken after 1 hour. We're gonna go ahead and crank it up to 350 degrees and let that smoke until we reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees on the chicken breast. That means our chicken is completely done. We're gonna take it out, let it cool, let it rest for a little bit, and then let's go ahead and cut into this bad boy. Look how delicious that chicken looks, man. This was probably one of the best chickens I've made in a long time. So obviously we saw that one leg and thigh, just breaking apart because chicken's perfectly cooked. It's juicy, it's delicious. So let's cut into this leg and take a look at it. And you know me, and if you're a Caribbean person, you don't like to see blood in the bone, but this chicken is still juicy, it's tender, there's lots of flavor, it's nice and smoked, absolutely delicious. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you love my videos. Thank you very much for supporting me. And as well, we'll remind you to hit that little bell notification so you'll get that pop-up notification when we drop a new video. And we always try to drop a new video at least every week. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok at What's in the Pot. Till next time, stay blessed and stay safe. Peace.